So I gotta do a real quick video here. I've been watching Coin Guy on Speg. That's S-P-E-G Tacular. Coin Guy is my favorite. So I watched Coin Guy, and then what I did after watching, because what Coin Guy says something that makes sense to me. If I need a microscope to see the damage to a coin, I'm not gonna worry about it, you know? I should be able to see it with my magnifying glass. I can't see it with a magnifying glass, I'm not gonna worry about it. So a lot of people are worried about my toothpaste. They say no, don't use the toothpaste, it's abrasive. So I started Googling and stuff, and is toothpaste abrasive? Well, actually, here's what the coin people don't tell you, is that there is a rating system for toothpaste from 0 to 250 as to how abrasive it is. If it's 0, guess what? It's not abrasive at all. If it's 250, guess what? It's probably gonna leave some marks on your coins. So I took the Crest, which the Crest is 110. Regular Crest is 110, okay? Which is less than half. No, it is in moderate, but it is less than half of 250. So I'm gonna get some stuff. I can't remember. Is it called Oxy? I'm not sure, but it's I think it's around 70. Might have been a high. No, it was like 69 or something like that, maybe. It was just barely in the mild, but it says with fluoride, because that's what I'm most interested in, is the fluoride, because the fluoride replaces E-Zest coin dip, which works too fast. It's too strong. I need it to be milder. So I took the Crest and I scrubbed 2 pennies, 2 new pennies, and wow, changed the color, but the cartwheels are still, it did not remove the cartwheels, okay? It did not take the finish away that they use for grading. And if I leave it sit around for a while, it's going to change from this color right back to that color. So we're going to try it. I'll prove it. So here's something you should have. Yeah. A sack of money. Oh, that scared a cat. A sack of pocket change. Get this pocket change. In there. Pocket change. Pocket change. You can't put but about this much in one of these sacks, and then you got to go get another sack. So that's about how much I don't want them to tear. I want to be able to drop them and not have them just splatter. So we'll find a penny. There's our penny. Actually, you know, look at that one. That one's even shinier than the one that I shined. That is pretty new. It's got scratch on it. I have to check my camera. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. That one. This is the one I cleaned. And this is the one we're gonna clean. And this is the unclean. I wish I could see my camera. The sun is out here. Okay. So this is the one. This has not been cleaned. We're going to clean it. This one has been cleaned. This one has not been cleaned. The color, those two are very similar. And you can see maybe how some of the finish has been a little bit touched there. Probably could see it with a microscope. Okay. So what do we do with it? Put toothpaste on it. Like that. And just rub it around. Toothpaste and rub it around. I know about how much it takes to get the yuck off of a silver dollar, and that's about how much I'm gonna rub this. I'm not pushing real hard, but I'm not pushing real soft either. I could do real soft like this. Just really softly cleaning that. Really softly. Or I could squeeze it and just really push on it. So I have a choice, you know, of how much I want to do here. Very lightly or very tough. So we've done a little bit of both. All right. Let's see what kind of damage we have done here. Oh, cartwheels. I don't even have to get this stuff. Look at those cartwheels. Look at that. Yeah, 110 on the abrasive scale. Crest. I'm not even going to go down to Colgate, which is about 80. Cartwheels are still there. Cartwheels are still there, Jenkins. Bye. Jeff Zero out. You guys are nuts. Nuts. Get that sack of money.